Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, we have this 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Guys, this thing is insane. An SRT slammed down to the ground. It's triple black, quadruple black, limoed out windows, you can't even see inside. A wide body kit, gold wheels. Look, you can't even see inside. The thing that's amazing about this one is this wide body kit. I've never seen a Hellcat with one like this. And these wheels are humongous. The diffuser, a wing, the taillights are limoed out. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.